Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another unboxing for January. I've got Toyl, Time of Your Life. If you're new to Toyl, then I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've heard it all before and you're just curious and seeing what's inside the January box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments. You're free to flick forward. Toyl is a UK only monthly beauty box for women aged 35 years and over. It is run by Karen, who is an award-winning blogger and an Amazon best-selling author, Time of Your Life. She also runs podcasts and has YouTube videos showcasing all the products that are featured in the box, how to use them, and also sometimes interviews with the brands that are featured inside the box. Inside you find beauty products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, nail care, hair care, anything beauty, and it will be featured in the box related to women of a certain age. The cost of the box is £35 and that includes shipping, and this box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel, and they have kindly given me a code to share with you which will entitle you to receive £5 off your first box, which is geek. You'll find that down below in my description, as well as links to the subscription. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed down there. So I think that's it as far as information goes. If there's anything you want to know a little bit more about the subscription, then please ask away. So inside you find a leaflet or a little booklet, and it details everything about the products plus the theme, which I'll go through in a minute, and I'll just give you a sneak peek. You'll see a few things. It says, welcome to 2022, new styling box brochure for 2022 for so many reasons. First, I wanted you to have your box opening moment as a bigger experience so that you can sit down with a cup of coffee and relax while exploring inside. I've also added in new Instagram and Facebook lives each month for you to ask me questions about the box contents to help you get the most out of your subscription. Please ask me anything. This month is on the 4th of January with Instagram at 5 PM and Facebook at 6 PM. This January box is your sleep spa box. Sleep is key to good skin and functioning well, and I'm thrilled that this box will offer products that work as a soothing, relaxing ritual before bed. This collection of products are not only perfect for aiding sleep, but while they do so, they have an amazing effect on your skin overnight. Snuggle in and it will be spring before we know it. I forgot to say in the intro that if you are a subscriber, you are able to pause your subscription. Now from, I think it's the 18th of every month, you get to see the contents that are going to be featured in the following month's box on their social media channels. So if you have a look at that box and you think, do you know what, that month isn't really for me, or you might have a few of the items that are inside, you are able to get in touch with Toyl and they are able to pause your subscription for you, which I thought was really, really good. Okay, so starting off then, we have got a Pry and M&S Minnow Glow Super Hydrating Sleep Cream. Hydrates, calms and protects, specially designed for menopausal skin, and there's 50 mils here. Now in last month's box we had a serum from Pry and M&S as well. I think it is absolutely wonderful that there is a skincare range that caters for menopausal women. I think it's brilliant, specifically for menopausal women. Hydrating sleep cream. Oh, it feels nice and cooling, which is one of the things I need at night. Ooh, it feels so, so nice, really nice and soft. Okay, what can I tell you about it? This is full size and the recommended retail price is £28. Sleep itself is a well-known healer for skin, and I want you to think of this cream as an aid for sleep as well as supercharging your skin. Packed with soothing oils such as shea butter and argan, as well as grapefruit and cloudberry, this cream will hydrate, calm and soothe skin and minimizing overnight moisture loss. Karen's top tip, I like to lie down as I apply the product all the way from the décolletage to my forehead. It's a soothing, relaxing ritual and the fragrance is just heavenly. I didn't smell the fragrance. Yes, nice. It's not strong. It is not strong, but it's lovely. That's the first item in the box. Next we got an eye cream by Freya and Bailey, and this is a Peep Eye Cream for dull uneven skin tone. And there's 30 mils there. So it looks like. This is a full-size product and it retails for £40. Peep is particularly interested in helping reduce the appearance of dark circles under our eyes. Peep also contains hyaluronic acid, but forget the acid bit, as hyaluronic acid isn't an exfoliating ingredient. What it actually does is help the skin retain moisture, which is what all those lovely Christmas excesses have taken out of your skin. Back to drinking more water this month, and this cream will retain moisture around the eyes for you. It's Karen's top tip. In September 2021 box, we had a self-heating eye mask from Sensory Treats. These are perfect for helping both this eye cream absorb and to send you gently off to sleep. Got an eye cream. Next, we have got a eye mask by Smug, the original contoured 3D blackout sleep mask, and it says eyelash friendly on there. I'll get it out and show you. Now, I've already got one of these and they feel amazing. As in, it's really soft around your eye sockets, complete blackout. Yeah, just really nice. It's like a bra, like a padded bra. That's what it looks like there. Yeah, these are fab. And you've got Velcro fastening there then to adjust it how you want. So these retail for £12. First, this mask doesn't rest on your eyes. So if you have sensitive eyes or you wear lash extensions, it's not going to interfere. Second, it will come as no surprise that darkness is essential to sleep. The darker the better. This mask blocks out any unwanted light, letting your body completely switch off, muscles relax, feelings of drowsiness increase, setting you up for the perfect night's sleep while giving your body a chance to revitalise, re-energise, restore and repair. Karen's top tip, don't fix it too tight. Get the tension right just between no light coming in and not too tight, then you're on to a winner. Is that? Next, we've got a mineral rich body mud by Secret, Minerals from the Dead Sea. So we've got a pouch there. And it's 100 grams. And this retails for £19.95. This is one of the best spa products ever. Dead Sea Mud is some of the most mineral rich mud on earth, containing a total of 21 minerals, many of which have known therapeutic, healing, detoxifying and relieving properties which really work. This is body mud. Mix a little with warm water and apply where you want it. Stomach, thighs, legs, upper body, and leave it for 15 minutes before rinsing with warm water. Yes, it's a little messy, but it leaves skin silky soft, is one of the most natural products available and offers a total at-home spa experience. And Karen's top tip, I use it on my hands and feet. My hands can get stiff after a day at the computer, and this is nothing short of a miracle worker for me. Sore feet love a bit of mud after a hard day too. Is that? And lastly, we've got a sheet mask, and this is by Beauty Pro. This is from their plant-based range. This is an avocado infused sheet mask with chia and wild yam, and it's an anti-aging formula. It shows you how to use it on the back there. And this mask retails for £4.95. Packed with avocado, chia, wild yam, this mask delivers moisture and soothing oils, as well as providing vitamin E and C, which are hugely beneficial for skin health. The fats, vitamins and compounds found in the ingredients help to stimulate cell repair, aid in healing and even up your skin tone. These fats also help to improve elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Karen's top tip, pop this mask in its pack in the fridge to cool before use. The sensation of the cold mask on your skin is incredible, and as it warms up, those ingredients just sink into your skin, so relaxing. So there's that. So those are all the products inside this month's box. And does it have a value? Normally it has a value. No, I'll just add it up for you. The value comes in at £105, and there's some extra information on the back here, just giving a little bit of advice. I won't read it all to you, but it just goes into telling you how to relax, exercising, getting rid of negative influences and feeding your body and things like that. So just some extra information with links as well to their website. So yeah, so we'll just give you a bit of a recap then. So we've got a Pry and M&S Meno Glow Overnight Cream. We've got a sachet of Secret Minerals from the Dead Sea, a mud mask. Freya and Bailey Peep Eye Cream. We've got an avocado sheet mask by Beauty Pro. And lastly, we've got a blackout 3D eye mask by the brand Smug. I hope you enjoyed watching. I'd love to know what you think of this subscription. What do you think of this month's products? Are you a subscriber? Are you looking forward to receiving this month's box? Or are you watching this for the first time, wondering if this is a subscription for you or not? I'd love to hear, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Take care. Bye.